Okay, I said I'd do another video when we're coming through to fill these seams in where the joints are from the paper. So as promised, I'll show you how we're going to do that. I've already went round and filled all the others, so I just thought I'd leave one of the butt joints and the corner just to show you how we're going to do that, just to lose these seams and make it look a lot more seamless. So we've got our easy fill here. Out of this bag, it's the one that I always use. That's what it looks like. And we're just going to get your filler on the end of your flexible filling knife, and you're just going to push it right into the seam. You don't want to be leaving too much on there, you just want to work it in and take off any excess that is on there. All the way down. I tend to keep the filling card underneath as well, just in case any filler drops off the edge of the filling knife, just so we'll catch it on there rather than it slopping onto the floor. All the way down. Okay, and what we're going to do for the corner, we're actually going to use our finger. We're just going to take some like this. We're just going to start bringing it down into this corner. I prefer to use this other than a decorator's cork, because the decorator's cork, for some reason, unless you put some sort of sealant on it these days, likes to try and crack through. Well, this for me is just more of a safeguard. I know what this product will do, and I know how we can work with it without coming across any unforeseen problems. So that's it, just get it in there, right into the corner. Just using your finger, just roughly get it in there, because what we're going to do next is going to use a wet rag. And we're just going to take all the excess out of there. And we'll let these dry up. And then we'll be rubbing them down with one of these pads. Now, I can't remember what the make of these things are. Or something like that. I think I could be wrong anyway. A bit of 240 grit paper will be just as good. Something light, just to take the edges off here. And what you want to do, that's my head in the shadow. I can't really see where they are, but you just want to go over where you've filled all the joints with a very light sandpaper and just sand them back out. And you can see there's a few there on that wall. I have filled every single one, whether it's needed it or not, just to get these walls nice and smooth again, because we don't want to see the paper lines through anywhere. You can see there's a few bits where it was papered and the paper's sunk back, a couple of areas that need filled, but the beauty of this lining paper is you can actually fill over the top of it. It's quite a big piece up there. And again, just sanding that back. And you see we've got a lot of the 2-pack wood filler into the skirting board yesterday, into all of the woodwork. So that'll be needing to get rubbed back, and then a spot prime, and then that's all the woodwork ready to go as well. So that was just a little video on filling in the lining paper, just to get you as smooth a finish as possible.